Hey guys, Des with T-Mobile. Have you ever lost your phone? Terrible, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature.
First, we'll start with iOS. Start at your home screen, tap Settings, your name, iCloud. Now, if you're using iOS 10.2 or earlier, go to Settings, iCloud, scroll to the bottom, and tap Find My iPhone. Slide to turn on Find My iPhone, and it'll send the last location. Find My iPhone can help you locate your phone if it's ever lost or worse. To try to locate your iPhone if it's missing, just sign in to iCloud.com, and then you can possibly see your missing device on a map. Or you can play a sound to try to help you find it. There's even an option to remotely erase all of your personal information. For Android, you'll need to first download the Find My Device app from Google. To do this, open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Find My Phone. Download the app. Once the app is downloaded, you need to activate the feature. Open the Find Device app on your phone, select the Google account you want to use the Find My Device service with, enter your Google ID and password, tap Sign In, grant access to the app, and you're all set. If you've lost your phone, you can try to locate it through the Find My Device website. You'll need to sign in to the Google account that was used to set up the Find My Device app. It'll usually take just a few minutes to find your device, as long as it's on and it's connected to the internet. Now, pro tip, you can try doing a Google search for Find My Phone to locate your phone from a Chrome page you're logged into.
So hopefully you found your phone. I found mine. It was in the couch. For other great how-tos and of course our awesome unboxings, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, visit your favorite T-Mobile store. Thanks so much for watching.